Warning guys, a storm is coming. Risk assets are melting down. Is this an opportunity or a deadly trap? What if I told you that Bitcoin falling below $90,000 and US equities breaking down technically is just the appetizer and the real crash is only just beginning? Would you believe it? What if this is only the first ripple before a full-scale liquidity tsunami? Can your portfolio survive the next wave? Right now, you should be more afraid than ever. Over the last 72 hours, global risk assets have collapsed together. Bitcoin smashed through a major support level with a violent double-digit intraday drop. US indices broke down across the board. The Nasdaq and the S&P 500 lost their long-term trend lines, and the VIX Fear Index has exploded higher. This sudden shift from greed to panic is not a coincidence. It is the result of the three forces detonating together. Now, let me explain what these three forces are. Firstly, liquidity is drying up fast. The market's hope for aggressive easing is evaporating. Capital is fleeing risk assets and rushing into safety. Liquidity is being sucked out of the system and risk assets are bleeding out. Second, the valuation bubble has been punctured. AI, tech, crypto, everything has rallied vertically for months, far beyond earnings growth. When expectations collapse, prices collapse even faster. What is left now is free fall. Third, the leverage chain is breaking. High leverage positions are being liquidated, triggering forced selling and cascading margin call cycle. This is not retail panic. This is systemic deleveraging. Technical indicators are flashing danger, trend lines breaking down, trading volume surging, and volatility exploding upward. When these three appear together, historically, it signals a major top at the beginning of a real trend reversal. So here's the truth. This is not a normal pullback. This is the first phase of risk asset repricing. The real show wave has not arrived yet. The next 2 weeks could determine the fate of the entire year. Any short-term bounce is a trap, not a lifeline. Right now, the whole world is watching Liquidity. Yes, they may beat expectations, but that is nothing more than a shot of adrenaline. When truly matters is liquidity from the US Treasury. And until that happens, the smart move is protecting capital, reducing exposure, managing leverage, and defending your base. In a storm, survival matters more than returns. Only those who make it through the crash get to profit from the recovery. If you want structural analysis of hot stocks and real-time strategy, subscribe now. I'll be here to help you find opportunity when others freeze. Do not go silent at the most critical moment.